How to turn on or enable autoplay on Disney Plus. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly enable autoplay on your Disney Plus. If you're watching a video or a show on Disney Plus and you want to continue watching the show without having to press the next episode, then this video is for you. So the very first thing that you will have to do is open up your Disney Plus and log into your account. Once you do that, you will see your profile at the bottom right corner. You just have to tap on it. Once you tap on your profile, you will have an option that says edit profiles. So if you have multiple profiles, it will show up right here on top of your screen. Then just tap on edit profiles and all of your profiles will show up. Now, choose the profile that you want to edit or that you want to enable autoplay on, and once you choose your profile, you will have this option called autoplay at the bottom. Just turn it on, and once you turn it on, your autoplay will be enabled. And it's the same thing. If you want to disable autoplay, you just have to toggle it off and your autoplay will be disabled. So that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.